Welcome to Perseverance IAS. These are the important articles to be read in the Hindu for June 25th. The first article that you have to read is PM backs delimitation process, grassroots democracy in Jammu and Kashmir. As I said earlier, this meeting is important in the sense that the restoration of normalcy in democratic process in Jammu and Kashmir and a possible restoration of statehood for Jammu and Kashmir. So you have to understand the intent behind this meeting and you have to follow this entire process from here onwards. Apart from that, it is not that important. Moving on. This article is pretty much important. HE issues notice to center on harassment complaint by officer. The reason that you have to read this article is to know about how internal complaints committee works. You have to just use this article to learn more about ICCs in both government and non-government, that is private organizations. That is the intent behind this. Moving on. Again, in an article that you have to read behind the article, meaning not what is in the article, but you have to get inspiration from that and learn more. This article you have to learn what are the new green tribunal regulations that allow for the felling of trees and what are the rules and regulations regarding transplantation of trees when construction projects are being taken up. That you have to understand from this. Next article is government grants permission for cutting, transplantation of over 1500 trees. The reason that you read this article is you have to understand what is the rules and regulations involved in felling of trees when construction projects are being taken up. You have to understand the Green Tribunal rules and regulations and what are the compensatory plantations or the percentage of compensatory plantation that has to be taken up by the construction company to cut down trees in the region where they want to carry out constructions. These again you have to read behind the article. That is the reason that I have selected this article. Moving on to editorials. The rural economy can jumpstart a revival. So this particular editorial is important to understand what are the challenges that Indian economy, that is particularly rural Indian economy, will face and has been facing during the pandemic and post-pandemic, and what should the government be doing to augment their revenue sources and protect rural economy from further devastation. The second article that you have to read is stopping the surge. So whatever the lockdown or the unlock methodology that states and central government has adopted, the author of this particular article states that it has been pretty unscientific. Because since there is good evidence that unlocks can survive or successfully happen if and if only when high percentage of vaccination is seen. Let us look at the examples of foreign countries. They are able to open up pretty much to pre-pandemic levels because of high levels of vaccination percentage or coverage. That is not the case in India. But due to stringent economic conditions, meaning bad economic conditions, we are being forced to open up at least even before our population is vaccinated. That is the reason that you have to read this article to get a bearing as to what are the issues involved in current unlock processes and why it is not good for the both economy and health of the population. So the next article that you have to read is Staging a Comeback, Re-Energizing India's African Policy. We know that the Chinese are pretty much made big inroads into countries in Africa. Particularly, they are very well integrated with the African economy. India, though, had a pretty pragmatic and a very well thought plan to get a foothold in Africa, largely failed to implement that plan. Now India has to refocus, regroup and re-energize and re-engage with African countries to protect its own interests in Africa and ensure a better and a good trading partner from African nations. That is the intent of this article. You have to Again, read it in terms of international relations and the concept of trade deficit and how India must diversify its trade partners around the world. So moving on, the next article is monsoon to be weak till July of this year. So again, you have to read in terms to understand what would be the likely monsoon situation for this year, how it is going to impact, because remember, economy is already in tatters. A bad monsoon or an over energetic monsoon will certainly play a spoil sport into our economic recovery plans. So moving on, Army issues tender for 1750 FICV vehicles. FICV stands for Futuristic Infantry Combat Vehicles. So this is again a part of modernization of our military. So modernization is a long word and a big word. Whatever we are trying to do is just improve age-old machinery that we have been using or we have been forced to use because various conditions. Now India has pretty much tried to fulfill its or fill its critical gaps in army equipment. This is one of those. We have been using Russian made vehicles to fulfill these gaps. Now these infantry combat vehicles is going to certainly help our defenses and offensives. So moving on, in contact with all stakeholders on Afghanistan, says India. So this is page number 9 news. We have been in yesterday's article we were talking about how India might have been talking with Taliban in back channel negotiations, but MEA, Minister of External Affairs, have refused to comment earlier. Today their comment takes a significant role because it confirms our idea or the news reports that India has been actively engaging with Taliban. Remember, engaging with Taliban is one of the strategies that India has to and was forced to adopt because of the pullout of American troops from Afghanistan. So this is one very important article in terms of understanding our Afghanistan future role and future dynamics. So moving on to the next article, page number 10, pandemic hikes narcotics sale over web. So narcotics is a very big issue in India. You have to understand what are the laws that govern it. And recently there was an interesting case of NDPS Act that was being questioned by northeastern courts. So you have to look in that perspective. And one more important article in terms of science and health related is full license for Covaxin may take time. So one of the hurdles that Indian manufacturer Bharat Biotech Covaxin is facing is getting approval from world organizations. US refused to give emergency use approval for Covaxin, and World Health Organization has also pretty much put the issue on ice for whatever reasons. Now India has to engage with both countries and organizations to ensure that Covaxin gets its approval. You have to read that article in terms of that. Now, in one more article, jab status linked to resuming of business in Northeast. So one of the policies that Assam government has adopted to fight off vaccine hesitancy in frontline workers and government staff is simply linking their payment of their salaries to vaccination. If they get their vaccine, they'll get their salary. If not, they are not going to get their salary. So incentivizing vaccination is a good step to fight vaccine hesitancy. You have to use all the tools that you have in your basket to fight off vaccine hesitancy, because that is going to cause a major issue in the future. So moving on to the world, page number 11, Russia UK spar over Black Sea incident. You have to read this in terms of why Black Sea is critical, because of Crimea, that is Ukrainian's territory that Russia occupied. So you have to understand from that perspective, and you have to read this article from a map pointing perspective. And finally, Apple Daily sells out final edition. Why Apple Daily is important? How was it instrumental in Hong Kong's pro-democracy movement, and why is it important? This might be a prelims question, or you might give it an example of China suppressing freedom of press in Hong Kong in its bid to capture Hong Kong completely and take over Hong Kong forcefully. From that perspective, it is very important. The second way is amid vaccine shortage, Bhutan for mixing of doses. You have to read that from the perspective of vaccine mixing, meaning taking one vaccine for first dose and second vaccine for second dose. And why Bhutan is being forced because of a certain failure of our vaccine Maitri outreach because of our own deadly second wave. This is just to get an awareness, nothing more. Moving on to the business, Reliance to invest 7,500 crore in new energy. This article gains significance because you have to understand India is trying to diversify its energy needs, and one of the key components of that investment and diversification of energy needs is participation of private entities. Reliance investing this amount of money into new energies, that is exploration of new energetical technologies such as solar and other, will certainly help India reach its goal of diversifying its energy needs. So it's an overall strategic move, but nonetheless private participation is always welcome. So the next article that you have to read is ensure GST cuts reach users. So the National Anti-Profiteering Authority NAA has directed the GST officials to ensure whatever the GST cuts that the GST Council is coming out with will reach end consumers and not absorbed by the middlemen. So that's the intent. You have to understand what is the National Anti-Profiteering Authority, how they are empowered to come out with such decisions or such directions. From that perspective, you have to understand what NAA is. Now S&P cuts India's FY 2022 growth forecast to 9.5. So you have to understand what are these global ratings, how they are important to Indian economy, and why they are important to this Indian economy. And you have to understand what are the parameters that these private rating agencies use to calculate the or forecast growth rates. So the final article for today is 88% of SMBs yet to avail stimulus benefits. So you have to understand what are SMBs in the first place. You have to understand why SMBs are very important for economy of recovery. How we discussed MSMEs are important yesterday. SMBs are also critical component of that part, that recovery path. And you have to understand, to write a mains answer, you have to know what were the economic benefits that government of India bought in to support these SMBs. These are the important articles for June 25th of 2021 for the Hindu newspaper. This has been Perseverance IAS. Thank you. Stay safe. Namaste.